If there's one thing that separates a struggling garden from a thriving one, it's the quality of the soil. Have you ever wondered why some gardeners seem to have an endless supply of vibrant vegetables and lush greenery, while others battle stunted growth and lackluster plants? The secret isn't just in what they plant, it's in how they build their soil. Instead of relying on expensive store-bought fertilizers or pre-mixed garden soil, smart gardeners know how to create rich, living soil from scratch. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to transform your dirt into a nutrient-packed powerhouse that will supercharge plant growth and make your garden flourish season after season. Great soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. If you want plants that grow fast, produce abundantly, and resist disease, you need to build rich, living soil. The key is organic matter, nutrients, structure, and beneficial microorganisms. Instead of buying expensive bagged soil, let's create the perfect mix from scratch. Before adding anything to your soil, you need to know what you're working with. Get a simple soil test kit or send a sample to your local extension service. This will reveal pH levels, nutrient deficiencies, and your soil's texture. If you skip this step, you may waste time and money adding amendments you don't actually need. pH below 6, add lime to raise it. pH above 7.5, add sulfur or organic matter to lower it. Low nitrogen, incorporate compost or aged manure lacking phosphorus. Bone meal or rock phosphate works well. Low potassium, add wood ash, green sand, or banana peels. Once you know what your soil lacks, you can move forward with confidence. Now let's get our hands dirty. Here's the ideal blend for garden soil that retains moisture, drains well, and feeds plants consistently. Compost, the backbone of rich soil. Homemade compost is best, but high-quality store-bought compost works too. It improves soil structure, retains moisture, and feeds microbes. Topsoil. If your existing soil is heavy clay or sandy, balance it with quality topsoil. Coconut coir or peat moss helps retain moisture and improves soil aeration. Perlite or sand prevents compaction and ensures good drainage. Worm castings, a natural fertilizer loaded with beneficial microbes. Mix these together thoroughly before filling raised beds, containers, or in-ground planting areas. A good soil mix is just the beginning. To make it truly exceptional, add organic amendments that enhance fertility and microbial life. Mycorrhizal fungi. These beneficial fungi form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, helping them absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Biochar improves soil structure, retains nutrients, and enhances microbial life. Fish emulsion or kelp meal provides a quick nutrient boost, especially for leafy greens. Crushed eggshells, a slow-release source of calcium great for tomatoes and peppers. Cover crops. Planting cover crops like clover or rye in the off-season builds organic matter and prevents erosion. Applying these amendments seasonally keeps your soil healthy and productive year after year. Soil is alive, and healthy soil is teeming with beneficial bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. These tiny workers break down organic matter, fix nitrogen, and improve plant health. Avoid chemical fertilizers and pesticides. These kill the very microbes that help plants thrive. Mulch generously. Use straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings to keep moisture in and feed soil life. Rotate crops. Prevents nutrient depletion and reduces pests and diseases. Keep soil covered. Bare soil loses nutrients and becomes compacted. Keep it covered with plants, mulch, or cover crops. Soil isn't a one-time project, it's a living, evolving system. Keep improving it season after season with these practices. Top-dress beds with compost every season. This replenishes nutrients without disturbing soil life. Use no-dig gardening. Disturbing the soil disrupts beneficial microbes. Instead of tilling, layer organic matter on top and let nature do the work. Compost tea, a simple way to introduce beneficial microbes and nutrients to your soil. Want to supercharge your soil effortlessly? Start a worm bin. Red wigglers break down kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich worm castings, one of the best natural fertilizers available. Add a handful of worm castings to your planting holes, or mix them into your soil blend for an immediate boost. Creating amazing soil isn't complicated, but it does require patience and consistency. The best gardeners don't rely on synthetic fertilizers, they build their soil naturally, making it richer and more productive every year. Follow these steps, and your plants will thrive like never before. Do you have a go-to soil building trick? Share it in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Hydro Haven and share this with your fellow gardeners.